Ayan, kanta ako sa Exclusiva. 2 kanta na lang po. Ate Babes, okay ka lang? Okay ka lang ba, Ate Babes?
Bakit? I'm okay. Bakit, Sir Felix? Anong tingin mo?
Bumaba ako. Diba, bababa ako pagkatapos ng...
Sige, it's okay kasi maglalastosong na ako.
Okay lang.
Kasi naka 2 hours na pala ako eh.
Sige po. Hanap na ako ah. Ay, hindi ko pa nakanta. So, hindi ko pa nakanta to eh. Pero maganda siya.
Ayan, 7 million in the house na nag-stay. Thank you so much.
Salamat po sa mga nagdikit sa akin. Iwan lang kayo ng podcast. Balikan ko kayo ha.
Oh. Oo, sa nakatin yung co-host.
Jenny, please say you wait for me. I grew up someday, you see, saving all my kisses just for you. Sad with love forever true.
Joy was the girl who lived next door. And on her I guess 8 years old. Joy wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say.
Jenny, please say you wait for me. I grew up someday, you see, saving all my kisses just for you. Sad with love forever true.
Slowly I read her note once more. Then I went over to the house next door. Heard the just feel like random day. But I could believe what I had to say. Judy, Judy, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. You're just 15 and I'm 22. And Judy, I just can't wait for you. Soon I left a little hometown. Got me a job and tried to settle down. That is worth me my haunting. Sorry for that. Hindi ko kaya kanta eh. Sayang, ganda pa naman.
Jenny, please say you wait for me. I grew
Pagbalik ko
up
dito, marunong na ako dito ha, Ate Babes. I-practice ko pa to.
saving all my kisses just for you. Sad with love forever true.
I bought my clothes and I couldn't pay. I had to see Judy, I had to explain. All my heart was filled with her memory. And I asked my Judy if she may marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door. But they weren't like they were before. Mine just feel like random day. But I heard Judy.
yung kanta kasi yung lyrics niya, Rainfall.
Oo, ang ganda ng song na yan, Jenny. Gusto ko yan, Johnny.
Practice ko
Gusto
tayo.
ko yan, Sir Felix. Pabalik mo, alam mo na yon.
Oo, sana alam ko na. Baba na ko ha.
Okay, sige. Thank you, Sir F. Thank you. Open cam.
Salamat din. Salamat
Thank
din.
you. Thank you so much. Open cam.
Ayun, dara, open cam yan.
Nakita sa Facebook, Sir F.
Oo nga, oo nga.